Yes, the challenge I selected was Shelby's problem about the lake. The oil from the ship has flown into the water supply, so I had to come up with an invention to get rid of the oil. My solution was about like getting rid of the oil, and if the water came with the oil, we could separate them. This is the prototype of the oil vacuum bowl. The oil vacuum bowl has its name over here, and you can see it has an on button, an off button, and a speed up button. The on button will, first you need to actually put this in the water. Then you switch on the on button and the pipes will vacuum up all the oil as it floats all among the water. And if it gets some water in, you mustn't worry because then you can still separate the water and you could just reuse the water and oil. And if it's going too slow, you just press tap it once. Don't hold it in because you will make it go slower. The difficulty was making this straight enough and making the tentacles long enough. Also putting this on straight. And the remote, getting it straight onto the remote. As you can see, it didn't come out well because it needed the supports over here for the one button. And that was all the problems I faced. I would take these sections off and make them able to attach on. And I would have made these shapes smaller and put it more onto it, which I already have done. That you can make life easier for other people, and you can help so many people with this one invention.